Class 179 means 49. Display systems. So display is, we know, it is a last step. Computer output surface. Okay. Examples are CRT, LCD, LED, gas plasma. All these things are there. Depending upon technology, we have these classifications, these types. According to the color, size of screen. So all these things we can be it can be characterized or classified according to color, single or multi, sharpness and viewability, size of the screen, and projection technology. See these etc. or any other technology. Some displays indicate only on and off, say LED. Some indicate alphanumerics, say 7 segment display. Some indicate graphics or pictures. Some indicate only graph, CRT. Some indicate picture also. In your syllabus, only light indicators, LED, and a 5 by 7 dot matrix display are asked. So light indicators are used just to indicate on off status. They can be the light can be neon lamps or incandescent lamps or LED or LCD. Neon lamps need high voltages but use only less current. Say for example, the line tester, what you have use in your lab, it needs around 100 volts, but it takes very less current. But it can give only one color, red light only it can give. Incandescent lamps can be used with wide range of voltages. You have 50 volts, 70 volts, 100 volts, 230 volts, etc. But it needs comparatively high current, so power consumption is high. But they emit almost white light. But by using lenses, you can generate any color can be you can get it. Main advantage is its brightness is higher. Neon lamps brightness is lower. LEDs require low voltage and low currents and are cheap. You know that. LCDs consume even lesser power than LEDs, but the they are slower than LEDs. Suppose say high frequency operation requires, then LCDs are not recommended. And the life of LCDs is lesser than LEDs. So all these things are there. But with the microprocessor systems, LED and LCDs are most common. Okay, for because it is low voltage. For low voltages, LED and LCDs are best. Now LED display. Okay, there current limiting resistors are used in series usually to limit the current. Some LEDs are supplied with built-in resistors, so they can be directly connected to the microprocessor or low voltage systems. But for higher voltage, you need extra resistances, series resistances. You have to calculate according to the value of voltage and current capacity of LED. So LED displays can be of various waveform, various types or forms. Single light means one LED, or 7 segment, or 9 segment, or 14, or 16. See, this is 9 segment. 7 segment. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If you have the middle one, middle two, this is 9 segment display. You get more alphabets. Using 7 segment display, we can draw only numbers and few alphabets. In 14 segment display, you have extra three. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And also this has now become half. See, we have made it half. So that more alphabets can be displayed. 14. This is 16. The top and bottom also is made half. So more the segment, more alphabets you can have. Okay. Next is a 5 by 7 dot matrix display. These are not dot matrix. These are the segments, okay, which have common anode or common cathode type. For a single light, there is only one anode and one cathode. But for 7 segment extra, these all things, you have common anode and common cathode type. Next is dot matrix LED. This is a 5 by 7. You get even more flexibility of displaying any digit symbol also. See 5 by 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 by 7. If you want to write alphabet number 2 like this, light all these LEDs. There are 5 into 7, 35, 35 LEDs will be there. If you want to display something O, display like this, like this. These LEDs. O. Say if you want to display alphabet A, you can display A also. Say X, like this, like this, like this. You get X. Or these are the things. Okay. We will explain the dot matrix print LEDs in the next class in detail.